It's coming up on nearly 12 months since farmer Michael Gaine went missing, and as the anniversary of his death approaches, Gardaí say the investigation remains very active and live.
This all emerged on the weekend of 21st of March of last year. Mike was first reported missing on March 21st, and a huge search was undertaken primarily by farming friends along with the Civil Defence and the Kerry Mountain Rescue on his land at Carraig East, just outside Kenmare. And 6 weeks on, after his first report of missing, the case was upgraded to one of homicide. A lot of searching was done. The slurry tank was fully emptied and partial remains were discovered and removed from the farm site at Carraig East. An arrest was made, but the person was released without charge. And from that point, Gardaí believed that Mike Gaine had never left his farm. His Jeep, I should say, was found on site. And since that point, really, there's been question after question as to what really happened here, but the Gardaí believing that he was killed, he never left his farmland, and he was dismembered shortly after he was killed, and his body parts were disposed of in a statted unit on the farm. Coming up to Christmas Eve, we did an interview with Regional Chief Superintendent for the Southern Garda region, Colm O'Sullivan, and he issued a fresh appeal to the public for information. He said, don't assume that someone else has already provided all the information in relation to this case. The investigation is still live, and you may have a small piece of information you assume someone else has already given. That's not the case. Please contact us. We're still looking for information, still trying to find out exactly what happened and find out who was responsible for the murder of Mike Gaine.